In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your favorite sports team's schedule to your Google Calendar. Whether you're a die-hard sports enthusiast or just looking to keep up with your favorite team's games, this method will help you stay organized and never miss a match. Let's jump right in and guide you through the process so you can start syncing those schedules in no time. First, let's head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by opening a new tab in your web browser and going directly to your Google Calendar. If you're not logged in already, make sure you use your Google account to sign in. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a little gear icon there. That's your settings. Click on it to proceed to the next step. After opening the settings menu, you'll see several options, but we want to focus on one particular section. Look for the Add Calendar option on the list. Underneath this heading, you'll find a link labeled Browse Calendars of Interest. Clicking on this link will take you to a new page with various types of calendars that you can add, ranging from holidays to sports. On this page, you'll want to scroll down a bit until you see the Sports section. Here, Google presents an impressive selection of sports categories ranging from basketball and soccer to tennis and more. Choose the category that best fits the sport you're interested in. Now, it's time to select your specific sports interests. After picking a category, you'll be presented with a list of leagues and teams. Simply check the boxes next to the teams or leagues you want to follow. You can select as many as you'd like, and don't worry, you can always modify your choices later if you change your mind. As you select the leagues or teams, Google Calendar will seamlessly integrate their schedules into your own calendar. You can now visualize when your favorite teams are playing right alongside your personal appointments and events without any extra hassle. If you ever decide you want to stop following a team's schedule, you can uncheck the box next to that team in the same section. And there you have it, you're all set. You now have a streamlined way to keep track of all your favorite sports teams without having to manually add each game's details. This approach ensures you'll never miss a game day again. If you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to share it with fellow sports fans who might also benefit from having their team's schedules neatly incorporated into their Google Calendar. Thanks for watching and enjoy the games.